Ha kabaide ba kajing benmi ke sorkar jong kari Amerika ba kejala Meghalaya kamlong kebasngan kinong jong okai perthai. Nagaliang Conrad kongkal sangma uloong bo unsele ïakynduh yo ambassador neunong kitin siem kari Amerika ban pensyai ba kejala Meghalaya kalong kebasngan. Bat ban kerpat ban penkelano ekene kejing betha namar kalong ke bakla shibun. Bal penuan kedur ke bamiha persya kejala Meghalaya. Uloong basyan ule ïakynduh ya kihe aha katenat kikambari. Bat ya katenat Home Affairs ban pentip syapang kejing penmi kare Amerika yakum kene kejing betha ke balong kababakla shibun.
This kind of question should not be asked. You all know that what has happened in the case in the past. Meghalaya is absolutely safe. It has been proven beyond doubt. So I urge the media, please don't entertain this kind of questions. Don't ask this kind of questions. You should be answering on our behalf. You should also at one point in time become our voice, and you should become the kind of the sentiments of our people, understanding that, and you should also speak on behalf of the people. Coming into to the point of the US case, it's a matter of concern. I have already shared that I will be going and meeting the US ambassador and through the MEA and even through the MHA and informing them that this kind of notification has come out, which is absolutely incorrect, and we would request the US embassy to change the notification. I hope that they will be satisfied with that explanation and with the interference and with the support and necessary coordination with the MEA. We should be able to rectify that the wrong notification that is coming.